Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure WordPress themes with Elementor easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin configuring your WordPress theme with Elementor, first, ensure you have Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress site. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard to access your site settings. Navigate to the Pages section in the left sidebar. Click on Add New to create a new page where you will use Elementor. Title your new page appropriately, such as Home or Landing Page. Next, locate the Edit with Elementor button and click on it. This will take you to the Elementor interface, where you will start building your page. On the left sidebar, explore the available widgets that Elementor provides. Drag and drop a heading widget onto your page. Edit the text in the heading by clicking on it and typing your desired content. Next, add a text editor widget below the heading for additional information. Customize the text style, font size, and color from the settings in the left sidebar. Now, let's add an image to your page. Drag the image widget from the left sidebar and drop it where you want it to appear. Click on Choose Image to upload or select an image from your media library. Once the image is placed, adjust its size and alignment as needed. To enhance your page, consider adding a button widget. Drag the button widget onto your canvas and customize its text and link. Style the button using the options available in the sidebar for a more appealing look. If you want to create sections with backgrounds, use the section widget to add new parts to your page. Click on the section settings to choose a background color, image, or video. Continue adding any additional widgets, such as testimonials, lists, or icons, to enrich your design. To see how your page looks, click the eye icon at the bottom left corner. Once satisfied with your design, click the green Publish button to make your page live. After publishing, you can exit Elementor by clicking the hamburger menu in the top left corner and selecting Exit to Dashboard. To set your new page as your home page, select a static page and choose your newly created page from the drop-down menu. Save the changes to update your site settings. You have now successfully configured your WordPress theme using Elementor. Feel free to explore more widgets and design options as you continue customizing your site. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.